Hello everyone, and welcome back to Foxtecc. Today, we're delving into a handy feature on your iPhone, the group chat within the iMessage app. Now, I know many of you use group chats to stay connected, so let's explore how you can make the most out of this feature. First things first, opening the Messages app and selecting the desired group text is the initial step. Once you're there, click on the two people icon at the top to access the group settings. Within these settings, click on Info to get to the heart of customization. Now, here comes the interesting part, changing the name and photo of your group. Maybe you're tired of the default group name and you want to personalize it. Simply choose Change Name and Photo and enter a new name for the group, something that resonates with its purpose, like Friends, for instance. But we can take it a step further. Let's add a bit of personality to it. Optionally, you can change the group logo to a single character or emoji, perhaps a group photo that represents all the participants. Get creative. You can also adjust the style and color to match the vibe of your group. Once you've made all these changes, click Done to save the new group name and photo. It's a small tweak, but can make a big difference in personalizing your group chat experience. And before we wrap up, I want to remind you to check out the Foxtecc educational platform. It's a valuable resource I've created for free, and you can access it through the link in the description below. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting for you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and explore the customization options in your group chats. Your support means a lot.